disease. No one can cure you from any dis-ease. And if you notice, I use the word dis-ease, and if you saw it there, it's hibernated. I don't believe in the word disease. The disease model that we've been taught in school is wrong. It's not true, because the thing is we have to start focusing on our lifestyle choices. And when I say lifestyle choices, this is the most important thing you can ever focus on, because no pill is going to get you to the results that you want. And trust me, I was taking over 14,235 pills every year, and I wasn't getting any results. That means I was taking over 40 pills a day, and I wasn't getting any results from it. My high blood pressure wasn't improving. My pre-diabetes was just getting worse by the day. My mobility was getting worse. I still wasn't able to breathe, and I was still fat. On top of having mental issues, like all of these things didn't change till I started tackling my lifestyle choices. And when I say lifestyle choice, because a lot of times we believe like, oh, it means exercise. Exercise is not a lifestyle choice. Exercise, going to the gym, meaning that's something that you want to do on your free time. And like I try to let people know, and how I train people up, is you don't have to exercise. This whole thing like, oh, you got to go to the gym to exercise, is a lie. That is called marketing and advertising to get you inside those Bally's, 24-hour fitness, whatever the other name of the gyms are, because they want your money. The truth is, you can exercise for free. You can have exercise in your everyday routine. One of the things I do where people are like, oh, how do you walk 6 miles a day? I walk to the grocery store. I walk up the stairs sometimes. I don't always take the elevator. Exercising and from a lifestyle perspective just get a little bit of extra movement in your day. If that means you go to the grocery store, instead of parking in the front, park a little farther back. Instead of parking close to the exit so you can just hop right in your car, park a little farther away so you got to walk a little more. That's an easy way to get exercise into your everyday life. It doesn't mean going to the gym. But however, what lifestyle choices mean is, what are you eating? What are you drinking? Like if someone drinks 1 beer a day for 365 days, year after year after year, you would probably be like, hey man, you might want to slow down. Hey, you might want to cut back. Someone drinking a bottle of liquor every day, you'd be like, hey, you want to cut back. But when it comes to our eating, we're never looking at it from that perspective. We're eating this day in, day out for 365 days. And if you're doing it for 10 years, 15 years, 20, 30, 40 years, eating the exact same thing over and over again, that is your lifestyle. Meaning you have to focus on what you're putting in your mouth. And if you start focusing on those things, you'll start seeing improvement in your health. This is how I'm able to guarantee people results, because I'm not doing it for you. I can't do it for you.